Focus is the gateway to perception, memory, learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Without focus, we won't reach our maximal efficiency, performance, and potential. In this meditation, we will train your focus and strengthen your brain to function at its highest capacity. Come to a comfortable position and make sure that you're in a place where you can remain undisturbed and drop into the moment entirely. There is nothing else to focus on at this moment other than my voice. When you're ready, close your eyes and slowly begin to scan down your body from head to toes. Become aware of any sensations resting in your body right now. Tingling in your feet or hands. Your heartbeat. The movement of your blood. Notice the muscles in your neck holding up your head. How your tongue is positioned in your mouth, and the position your spine is in. Bring your focus onto your stomach. Notice the tightened or relaxed state of your abdomen. Continue to scan your body without letting your focus become fixated on any one sensation. Now, bring your focus to rest on your breath and notice how your breath is entering and exiting your body. Let all other sensations become background noise, with your breath taking center stage. Watch your breath come in, fill your body, expand your chest, and go out, slowly releasing the air and emptying the abdomen. Allow your focus to remain sharp and fixated on the breath as it moves in and out of you like the ocean. From this position of focus, you can notice more and more the subtleties of your breath. Feel the way that the breath enters through your nose. Follow it down your throat, filling the tops of your lungs and expanding all the way down to the bottom of your lungs. Notice the slight pause right before your exhale begins. Then use all of your attention to watch how the breath begins to pour out of your nose again. Watch how your mind is observing from this perspective of pristine clarity. Each inhale comes and each exhale goes. Your focus remains centered, calm, and picks up on every detail. You are in your place of mental power. From this place of observing, you can feel how easily your mind can function. Your focus is sharp, strong, clear, and precise. Taking the time to sit in this state of mind strengthens your focus beyond what you may know to be capable. Feel how strong your focus is right here. It is unshakable. Feel the sharp clarity within your mind. Now that you have tapped into this focus, it is available for you to access anytime. Your mind has become fine-tuned to function at its highest capacity. You now have a razor-sharp ability to focus and drive all of your energy into your performance. Now, repeat each affirmation in your mind or out loud with conviction. Use your imagination to believe each affirmation fully. My focus is expanding and growing stronger. Focus is naturally a part of me. Focusing is effortless for me. I free myself from distractions. I am in my zone. I notice everything around me with ease. My mind is tuned to the highest performance. Slowly and gently, start coming back to your surroundings. When you're ready, open your eyes. You are now fully awake and energized. If you've enjoyed this guided meditation, subscribe to our channel and download the Enhanced app for exclusive guided meditations, visualizations, and more. Find the download link in the description below. Make sure to leave a like and comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and supports the channel. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you at the next session.